Hi everyone! In this video, you will get to learn how to use lookup in Excel. Basically, lookup is a horizontally lookup in contrast to vlookup when you do a vertical lookup. Now, for horizontally lookup, basically the values that you want to look up is in a row. The syntax of lookup is exactly the same as vlookup. It starts the first parameter with lookup value. The second parameter is the array that contains the master data or the whole table that you want to look up. And then the index of the row. Now in this case, earlier in vlookup, you have to provide the index of the column that contains the expected result. But in this case, because it's horizontally lookup, meaning it look this way from left to right. So you have to provide index of row or number of row that your lookup value is in. And then the fourth parameter is exactly the same as in vlookup, which is true for an approximate match and false if you want to do an exact match. Now in this example, let's suppose we have a table that contains number of views this week of different categories of series or movies, and then for different type of users, whether it's a free users or premium users or for premium barter users, right? Now, if you want to put only number of views of Korean variety, right? You can do horizontal lookup so that it looks this way. It looks from the left to the right until it finds Korean variety. And then you define the numbers of the row that you want to show the results. For example, row number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. Now, so you can do lookup, and then your lookup value is Korean variety, right? You want to know Korean variety is in basically which column of this whole table, right? And then the index number of the row that you want to return. In this case, you want the numbers of views for free users, right? Of free users. So it's in row number 2, right? In this case, and it's an it is an exact match. So you put false. If you want to be able to drag it all the way down, so you lock so you have to lock the area of your array, right? And also because you want to lock your lookup value to Korean variety, you lock it to Korean variety, and then you need to change it to row number 3 and row number 4 for premium butter. And then you can do the same for total, right? So you lookup for the word total in this whole area. Horizontally lookup until you find total. And then you want row number 1 for free, alright? And don't forget to put false for an exact match. Oops. not row number 1. It's supposed to be row number 2. And then you should be able to lock both the lookup values and the lookup area. And the lookup area. Oops. And then copy all the way down. But then change it to row number 3 and row number 4. And that's edge lookup, right? Now to calculate percentage is easy. So you take Korean variety, divide by the total views of Korean variety, and then you know the percentage, right? That's it for edge lookup. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.